So this is the part 2 of our vlog for the research conference sa Zamboanga City sa Mathematical Society of the Philippines, where I brought my students there to present their poster presentation for the researches.
And instruction shaping minds and advancing knowledge with remarkable dedication. He earned his PhD in Applied Statistics from Fangzhou University in Taiwan, where he is specialized in Bayesian modeling of integer value transfer function models. His work focuses on Bayesian analysis, time series modeling, and value statistics. But what is even more impressive,
So nag-attend kami ng plenary sessions. Yung plenary sessions dito sa MSP is composed of presentations for pure math. So they have invited guest speakers from the local and abroad. So may mga presentations for pure math, applied math, even statistics, as well as math education.
As much as we want to understand, comes in counts. And these are some examples. Number of crimes per day, number of calls to a helpline, number of disease cases reported per week, and many more. But the script is different, but count data is different. Because
Quadrilateral. So that is the triangulation there. Each base is a triangular, but instead of the triangle, we use a quadrilateral. The second meaning is that
You first read some more, give you some more background of Dr. Sebandal's work. She finished her PhD in mathematics degree from MS.
It was also a nice moment naman to witness the awarding of one of my friends, si Dr. Sebandal. She was awarded as most outstanding PhD graduate during that conference. However, she wasn't there physically kasi nasa Portugal for her postdoc fellow. It was also a nice reunion kasi I got to reunite with my former professors. So you can see si Dr. Aniversario, si Dr. Malakas during that time. So meron kaming reunion meeting, and some other faculty and friends from the MSU IIT. Nag-a-attend din kami ng parallel sessions. So, by the way, for the information of everybody, yung parallel sessions naman is actually naka-specialize on a specific topic. So, yung kanina, plenary sessions yon, that's for general. But this time, naka-parallel. So, ibig sabihin, naka-focus lang siya on one area. So, there is graph theory, there is another area for algebra. So, para exclusive in the room. So, depende kung saan ka mamili, kung saan ka papasok. So, this time naman sa video na to, pumasok ako sa algebra because I had to watch my closest friend, si Irene Antabo. Siya yung nagsasalita niyan. So, her topic is about BN algebra. So, yan yung topic niya ni present niya sa parallel. Also, I attended the parallel session for statistics and mathematics education kasi I had to support my colleague from PUP, si Ma'am Katrina, kasi nagpe-present siya ng thesis niya sa masters.
And yung na-consider ay 2018. Specifically 2018 and 2019 na students or alumni. After 2019, nag-pandemic. Na-consider nyo ba na makakayanan hindi nakakuha ng trabaho kasi umabot sila dito sa pandemic period?
Okay. Actually, hindi po namin na-consider yung mga, since hindi naman po natin na-expect na magkakaroon ng pandemic. Pero isa po sa mga tinanong din dun sa graduate research studies survey instrument po na kinonduct ng university ay kung nakatulong ba yung university
Okay, one of the most interesting parts sa conference is the presentation of poster. Kasi of course dito talaga pinipresent namin yung poster namin. I had my own poster, my students have also their own sa thesis nila. And also my colleague si Rafa, present din niya yung paper namin as poster presentation. Nakaya ragtubag? I was also reunited naman with some of my schoolmates from MSU IIT during that time. So sila to siya. So, after naman sa conference, usually, tuwing gabi, ayun, nag-uusap-usap kami, kumakain sa labas. Ano naman, para pang stress relief naman. Together with us naman, yung mga colleague namin, for their support, si Ma'am Jonah, si Ma'am Nobles, and then si Ma'am Isaac. Andun sila, together with us. Of course, hindi naman mawawala every time you attend conference or convention sa ibang lugar. So, syempre, may time ka din to explore the places. So, ang ginawa namin for our vacant day is, pupunta kami sa Pink Island. It's known as the Pink Beach Island sa Zamboanga City. Kasi yung island na yun, kulay pink talaga yung buhangin doon. So, nandun kami. Nandito kami nakasakay na sa bangka. Oh my God. We're going to Pink Beach.
Hello po.
I got to reunite din sa outing namin sa Pink Beach yung mga former professors ko. So, starting from the left, after me is si Dr. Malakas, and then si Dr. Aniversario, si Dr. Sumalpong, and then my former advisor, si Dr. Kagaanan Randy, and then si Lester Cabardo.
Bawal na maligo pag graduating. Hindi ba graduating dito? Bawal na. Nakaligo na eh. Bawal na.
And sinama din namin sa outing yung mga estudyante kasi may consent naman sila. So approved naman sila. So safe naman because it's still part of the convention tour. Kasi deserve din nila na makasama sa outing na to.
Ano si Ma'am Gab?
Ewan.